Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if you're having an issue with the content package is no longer available in Call of Duty and you're playing on your Windows computer in Steam. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is go ahead and open up Steam. So go ahead and open that up here. So now we're going to go ahead and select library on the left side. Right click on the Call of Duty application in your library and select properties. Select local files on the left side and then select versus verify integrity of game files and give that a moment here. And then again, you'll do that for the Call of Duty application. You'll proceed to close out of here and you will need to relaunch the Steam game as well as your computer probably. That's probably a good idea. And then see if that has resolved the problem. You could also attempt to reinstall the game in general, so just actually uninstall and then reinstall the game. That's something else you can take a look into. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.